another hybrid where this has miscellaneous stuff stuck in it. So the wood is random pieces of different woods and like oak galls and so on. So there's a variety of things in here. I don't know how much air voids there will be. I'm not positive. I got that since I didn't bomb this into when I let it cure. So there'll probably be some voids I have to fill. Also, as you can see, I got two different colors, kind of a gold and a blue. So we'll see how that goes. Additionally, this one and the last one I didn't put mold release on, so we'll see how hard it is to take off the plastic. Well, I sliced this with the box cutter, and it's coming off easy, so we'll see. On this one here, you can see I did gold and blue, and again the mold came off, or the form came off, no problem. And I don't see any bubbles, but there very well may be some. And again, this is just a bunch of different pieces of wood and oak galls and whatever I could find that had woody characteristics and put it in here. Tried to fill it up, and it's just chunks of wood cut-offs from previous projects. Okay, I've got my various wood bowl mounted up with two different epoxies, kind of a gold and a blue. I'm thinking it's going to make like a beach scene. We'll see. There's a lot of random different kinds of wood in here, so acorn caps and oak galls and just chunks of wood, so we'll see. It was my overflow bowl. I had several bowls that were there for epoxy, and just in case I had issues, which I did, I was able to put the epoxies in other bowls. Okay, I'm going to sand this. It's going to be just basically like a cup. I don't know that I'll actually make it a cup, but it'll just have that shape. I don't think I want to do much more, and this one reminds me why I don't like to do epoxy. It's just kind of a nuisance to me, but it makes neat looking stuff. But there are guys out there that do it very well, and I just don't see myself doing that. Okay, I'm calling this latest hybrid wood chunks on the beach, because you can see the golden sands and the blue water and then all these various pieces of wood. It just shows you that when you're using epoxy, you can make almost any chunk of wood look good, because these are random pieces that wouldn't normally gone in the fire bin or in the trash, and they're unique in that each piece looks so much different than the next. I think that what you saw there going by, this here in general, is a branch that was running through the bowl. But essentially I had idea of doing some epoxy bowls, and I always make bowls that are there for if I have a leak in the one I'm pouring, I can pour it in another one so that I don't waste the epoxy. And this is a recovery bowl that was just a bowl of chunks of wood. It turned out pretty nice. It's functionally, it's, you know, like a pencil cup or something. And I think that's about it.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.